Hi everyone, I wanted to make a quick video here to show you and get you started on chapter 2 on how to download the data that you're going to need for the textbook Getting to Know ArcGIS Pro, and then how to access that data. So in our Blackboard course, you're going to go to Getting to Know ArcGIS Pro 2.8 exercise data, and here you'll see this file, Esri Press, and you'll notice it says .zip. This is a zipped file. So we will download that and then unzip it. So just click on this. Depending on your computer, it might download here, or you can go to downloads and find it here. So you notice it has this little zipper here. That means the file is zipped. If you open that, you'll notice that it no longer has that zipper, it's not zipped. So then you just want to right click on this, copy that, and I recommend saving it to your C drive. So if you go to your C drive, you go here, you'll notice I already have it saved. So just if you want to do it again, you would just right click and just say paste. So there it is. So you will not be accessing this data through Windows. This is kind of a Windows Explorer management system. You will not be accessing it this way. You'll always access this data through ArcGIS Pro. So now we have it downloaded and unzipped. So we can start ArcGIS Pro. And the first thing your book wanted you to do is it wants you to import a map. Most of the exercise that you do, you will not be importing a map. This is just to show you that you can. So to import it, click that. And you just got to navigate. So if you navigate to your C drive, which I am, computer C, and you'll see that here's the Esri Press, Getting Out Pro. And these are all the different folders that you're going to be using throughout the textbook. This example, you want to use the world. So we'll click on that. What's going on with my computer? And then we will open this up and we'll say OK. And notice this extension .mxd. An MXD file is one that was created with ArcMap. ArcMap is still widely used, but ArcGIS Pro is the latest version, and that's what you're learning on. So if you created maps in ArcMap and you saved them as an MXD file, you can open them up in Pro. And there's the map. So that'll get you started. The next thing it wants you to do is learn how to make a folder connection. And knowing how to make a folder connection is very important because you're going to be doing that a lot. So when you go to your folder connections, you'll be in the catalog pane. It says catalog. You'll have this. Go to folders and right click, and it says add folder connection. Now what you're doing here is you're just adding a connection. You're just saying, give me access to this folder. You are not going to find the data to add the data to ArcPro. You are just trying to add a folder connection. So here it is on my C drive, Esri Press. Double click that, double click that. So now I want access to everything that is within this world folder. So I'm not opening it up because I'm just making a connection to that where that data is stored. So I just highlight it. It says name world. Okay. Now if I come into here and I can go here, now here's my world folder. And we look in here, we can see the MXD file. You can't add an MXD file through this way. You go here, it goes no go. But here's something, this little cylinder, silver.gdb. This is a geodatabase. And a geodatabase is kind of like think of it as a filing cabinet where you can store feature classes. And so if I open that, you'll notice you have cities, counties, lat, long, ocean, all the things that are actually in here that comprise this map. So if you wanted, you could always just add it. I won't, you just drag it in there and drop it, but you could add them in there. So that's how you make a folder connection, import a map if it's an MXD file, and how to download and save the data required for this class.